that grunt?
Waited. No, Dougie was back.
Yeah, it was Barkback Mountain.
How's the clean
Beautiful.
too?
Beautiful shape, eh?
Fucking good bull.
Hamburgers on them?
Oh,
Only in the ear.
oh my fucking God. Oh,
You look back there.
I was there.
Thank you.
This way and stop looking right at me.
Consolation.
Yep. That's why I'm taking video.
Okay, boys. For the bull shooter.
Yes.
You hit him in front chest.
Woohoo.
No.
I hit him one
Hey,
turn.
he's going back. Congratulations.
Cheers. Congratulations. Hey!
You were right, Mike.
Yeah.
In the swamp.
To those who couldn't make it today. Beautiful.
How far did he
So
go?
was he by himself? 5 feet.
Oh, yeah?
From here to
here.
there. Yeah.
Wow.
That's all I saw.
20 feet or so. Down he went.
308.
308?
You would understand. Grandpa knows. None of us would understand. Oh, me and Anthony do. Well, we know. We're going to go on that double date for sure.
You guys gonna fucking sleep together tonight?
Yeah.
We're gonna tell each other the story.
You got to get your daughter